Looking to add a new contact in Salesforce? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add a new contact in Salesforce, step by step, and help you save time while managing your leads. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add contacts seamlessly and use Salesforce more efficiently. Now, before we get into it, did you know you can use Salesforce completely free? Check out the first link below for an exclusive bonus that'll give you access to a special free trial, and stick around to the end because I've got a bonus tip that'll make your experience even better. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is log into Salesforce and head to the Contacts tab on the left side of your screen. If you don't see it, you can find it by using the search bar at the top. Now, once you're in the Contacts section, click the New button at the top right corner to start adding a new contact. Next thing, you'll be brought to a form where you can fill in all the details of your new contact. Here, you'll start with basic information like the contact's name, email, and phone number. It's important to make sure you get these details right, as they are key for future communication and follow-ups. Remember, filling in more information will give you better control over your contacts and help you stay organized. The third thing you want to do is assign the contact to the correct account if applicable. In Salesforce, contacts are usually tied to accounts, so this step will ensure the contact is connected to the right company or organization. If the account doesn't already exist, you can create one directly from the contact creation page. Next, move on to filling out the mailing address. This part might not always be necessary, but it's a good idea to include it if you're going to be mailing documents or keeping track of physical locations. Salesforce lets you store multiple addresses for each contact, so you can add an office address, a home address, or both. The fifth thing to keep in mind is setting up the contact's relationship with your company. Salesforce allows you to track the contact's role or title, which helps with categorizing and managing your leads or clients. Whether they're a potential lead, an active client, or a partner, you can label this and refer to it whenever you need to. The sixth thing you can do is link any important notes or tasks related to the contact. This is key for future interactions. You can add reminders, tasks, and notes right here in the contact's profile, making it easier to keep track of things like follow-ups or meetings. Now, before you hit save, make sure to double-check everything. Mistakes happen, and it's easier to catch them before you save the contact. Once you've reviewed, simply click Save and voila! You've added a new contact in Salesforce. To recap, the steps to add a new contact are simple. Go to the Contacts tab, click New, fill in the details, link the contact to an account, add addresses if needed, set the relationship, and finally, save the contact. And just like that, you've mastered adding contacts in Salesforce. Before we wrap up, don't forget that you can use Salesforce completely free right now, and the link in the description will give you an exclusive bonus with an extended trial. Check it out now before it's too late. Thanks for watching, and good luck adding those contacts.